Morning, guys. It is day 2 for being down in Ocean City, Maryland, and if you haven't seen vlog day 1, I will link that down below so you can go watch it to see what I did yesterday when I got here. But it is 7:30 a.m. really early. Everybody is still sleeping except for me and Darian. I slept in my makeup last night because I forgot to bring makeup wipes. We're gonna I know it's cold. It's so cold, that's why I'm wearing this. But we're now gonna get ready to go to the beach so we can ride our skateboards on the boardwalk. I just kept my hoodie on just because, I don't know why. I just want to have it in case if it's like breezy out or whatever. But I do have like a sports bra and spandex underneath. We brought our boards so we can ride them on the boardwalk. Last time we were down here, we went to Cinnabon and got chocolate milk and it was the best. And I want to start that making a new tradition. Is anybody gonna hit the button or am I just gonna stay on the 5th floor? Alright, so we just went to Cinnabon and she gave me some like chocolate latte. It was not chocolate milk at all. It tasted like a melted mocha frap from McDonald's, and the drink was $4 and it was hot, which chocolate milk was not hot. She tried to put some like cream foam like frap on top and it tasted like coffee, and you guys know I hate coffee and I really hate to be that picky customer, but I'm not gonna pay $4 for something that I'm not gonna drink. Like $4 for a tiny thing in general is like a lot. She even said herself like, oh, it's like chocolate milk, but like why would you charge me knowing you didn't have chocolate syrup? The 2 ingredients that you need, you don't have one of them to make chocolate milk. That sounds so bratty, but like if it was $1 or $2, like I really wouldn't care, but like $4, that's like a lot. We got a refund and it was all good. We're gonna go to the other Cinnabon. This is a different Cinnabon. It's at the other end of the boardwalk than the one we went to last time when we came down. But yeah, we are done riding our boards. We got that in, which is good. I also still need a beach towel, so I'm on the lookout for that. It is now 9:44 and we went back to the room. We ate some food, everybody made breakfast, but I switched into my second outfit for the second day, and it's just this pink crop top from the Moods, white jean shorts, and then my same flip-flops. I also have my bathing suit under this because we're going on the beach now. This is the towel he got. It's so cute. It's like the Maryland, and he got his matching glasses. Look, it all fly. I need a towel. I also ripped off my nails. Because one of them fell off and I just thought, you know, might as well take the other ones off because 3 were missing and all the other ones were loose anyway.
We're going to the beach. I got my volleyball. We got the volleyball.
Oh yeah, we got my volleyball. Yep. I had Honey Nut Cheerios this morning for breakfast. He made eggs and stuff, but we're gonna get a drink.
I made everyone breakfast.
No, yeah, he made like everybody breakfast, like eggs and bacon. But we're just gonna get a drink. Can you get the cherry Coke? Yeah. Get this one, not this one. This one looks booty.
I love Ocean City.
Oh my god, me too. It's my favorite vacation spot ever. So I got this really cute like ombre pink to purple cheetah towel. It's really soft and it's big for $12, which is kind of much, but we're down at the beach, so. We're gonna go to that like lone net over there for volleyball now. And once we get tired and like want to take a break, then we could sit down and do Bible study. That way we're just like relaxing and reading while we play volleyball. He's setting up the speaker. I made a whole beach playlist of all the best newest songs. We have our towels set up right next to the net, and we have our speaker all ready to go and my playlist. It's now 10:43, if you can even see that, and we have found a spot on the beach. We are done doing volleyball. The sun is not out at all, so we can't really tan, but we're really hot from running around in the sand trying to chase a volleyball that kept slipping away from us. I'm trying to not get my hair wet, but we'll see what happens. The ocean might be really, really cold. I don't know. This is the first time I was on the beach at all this trip. The beach is like decently empty right now. So yeah, we're just gonna go in the water. We might move up a little bit. No, I don't want to get my hair out. We're gonna do Bible study at the pool, just right at a table while we dry off. We are now finished up at the pool. We're walking back to our hotel room, and we had a really, really peaceful time at the pool. We had a really, really nice discussion, and we only got through a couple of chapters, but we're gonna read more when we get back to the room just so we can settle down and like actually get ready and everything. Even if you read a couple chapters a day, you learn more and you know more than you did yesterday about the Bible. Me and Darian have been reading the Bible. We aren't like far through or anything, but you always gotta start somewhere. Reading the Bible can really get you close and to grow a relationship with God. So Darian made me a hot dog on the stove, and he's just eating chips and dip. We have plans for 2 o'clock for this one place. I don't know exactly what it's called.
That's the
Yeah, that.
Go on a boat, and it'll take you down, and you get off, and there's like horses, and you can...
Horses?
Yeah, they walk around.
Like a horse?
Yes, horses. They walk around. There's like stuff you can do there, I guess.
It's now 1 o'clock, and we're heading to that one
Island
place with the horses. I took a shower, so I'm all clean. Even if I get dirty at this place, I can take a shower when I get back. It doesn't really matter, but I just didn't want the chlorine from the pool sitting in my hair, so I washed that out, took a really quick shower, and now we're heading over there. We're in our swimsuits. Thank God I packed enough because my other one was wet from the pool, and I just have a cover just in case I need it. I ran back to get my mask. I don't know if we needed our masks or not.
I couldn't even find mine. So we walked a couple blocks and everything's booked, so.
Yeah, we're all the way down here. We walked and they don't have any seats available for like today, and they do not take reservations. So they open at 8:30 and we would need to get here at like 8 the line starts. So yeah, I don't know if we're gonna do that or not, but we can't go today. It is now 3 o'clock.
And at 6 o'clock or 6:30 we're going on a dinner cruise.
Yeah, I don't really know what that is. I've never done that before. A dinner cruise?
Like you eat at a place, at the same place, and then like they take you out into the ocean. And
just for like
just to relax.
We just ate a Caesar salad at that one place that you guys just saw, which is actually like at the pool. It's like a bar at our hotel, which is really, really cool. Food was so good. It reminded me of Applebee's salads, which I love. It is actually like raining, not raining, it's like drizzling a little bit right now. So we have those 6 o'clock reservations. Until then, we're literally just gonna probably chill out. I don't wanna walk on the beach because it's raining. It's now 4 o'clock, so not much time has passed. We still have like 2 hours, but we're gonna head down to the boardwalk now and just walk around, see like if we find anything in any stores maybe. It has stopped raining. This is a plain black crop top. You guys, I got this from Marshall's. It came in a pack of 3 with white, black, and pink, and it was only, I think, $18 or something like that. And it's supposed to be a sports bra, but it fits like a top. It's so comfortable. It's not see-through, and it's perfect. Like, it fits so good. With some dark denim shorts, and also I have my rhinestone slides on. We came to this place last time we were down here, and they had the best strawberry lemonade, and I hate lemonade, but it's so good for whatever reason. He's also getting deep fried Reese's, which I've never heard of. Never tried them, but I love Reese's, so. It's good because obviously it's melted inside, and it's warm, but.
You don't like it?
I do, but I wouldn't order it. Like, I could finish it, but I wouldn't order it. I prefer Oreos. Like, it's really good, and I hate Oreos. That's what's weird, and I love Reese's. While we're trying to spare time till 6 o'clock, we ended up in the same arcade as we did yesterday's vlog. Oh. 2-2. Y'all see that score? So last time I came down here was with my sister when I vlogged, and if you guys watched that vlog, you may have recognized like a person that sent out an area to do spray paint art. Like, some people come down here if they have a talent, set out like a tip jar and like have this as a second job or whatever. The paintings were absolutely beautiful. He did it so fast, so quick. It's absolute talent, and me and Darren decided to get this one really pretty painting. It's like a pink sunset. I'll insert the clip or time lapse of him doing it. Yeah, just spray paint. Everything has so much detail without him doing like much to it. Like, I don't know how the heck he did it or how it's even possible, and he made the same exact thing within like 3 minutes. We just finished up all of our meal, and we're now getting on a Scenic cruise. It's like a $5 admission if you get a $12 meal. It is 7:50. We just got off the boat. Beautiful scenery. Got some really great clips.
How was the food?
Oh, the food was really good too. I forgot to mention. My food was really good. What did you get?
Shrimp tacos.
I just got chicken tenders because I didn't know what else to get. They didn't have fried shrimp, which is what I usually get on vacation. I don't know what we're doing now. Maybe back to the boardwalk? That looks like my cat, and I need it. His dad want me. Look how cute! We haven't been to this end of the boardwalk since it was lit up, like, because when we were down here last time, this wasn't even open at all. Right now we're at 30th Street. We walked through the amusement park after getting this. It's 8:50, so I will see you guys when we're at the hotel, ready to go to bed. We're probably gonna get there around like 9:30.
Am I doing golf?
No, fine. It's late.
No, this.
Since we already walked the boardwalk multiple times, we're just gonna take a walk on the beach so we can get our night walk in for the beach. It is now 10:05. We're back at the room, and it is like really cloudy or foggy. I don't know if you could see it. It's not my camera quality. It's just like, I don't know. The lighting's really red. It's a bad situation, okay? But we're back at the hotel, and we're just gonna settle in for the night. Everybody's back, and honestly ready to go to bed. It's 10 o'clock. So that was it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below what your guys' favorite vacation spot is to go. Subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And I hope I will see you back for day 3's vlog. Again, if you didn't see day 1, which was yesterday, I will link it down below, as well as day 3 when it's up. If it's not down there, I'll be uploading it very soon. I'm hoping to post all around the same time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.